41. Which root in ureteritis refers to the ureter? A. Ren. B. Ureter.
C. Cyst.
D. Nephre. Answer: B. Ureter. Rationale: ureter means ureter, as in ureteritis, ureter inflammation. Ren is kidney, cyst is bladder, and nephre is kidney. B is correct for this specific structure. 42. What does cost mean in costochondritis? A. Rib.
B. Chest. C. Spine.
D. Cartilage. Answer: A. Rib. Rationale: cost from Latin costa means rib, as in costochondritis, rib cartilage inflammation. Chest is thorax, spine is spin, and cartilage is condor. A is correct. 43. In orchidectomy, what does orchid indicate? A. Testis. B. Prostate. C. Bladder. D. Urethra. Answer: A. Testis. Rationale: orchid from Greek orchis means testis, as in orchidectomy, testis removal. Prostate is prostat, bladder is cyst, and urethra is urethra. A is correct. 44. Which root with itis indicates pancreas inflammation? A. Hepat. B. Gaster. C. Pancreat. D. Kernel. Answer: C. Pancreat. Rationale: pancreat means pancreas, forming pancreatitis, pancreas inflammation. Heput is liver, gaster is stomach, and col is colon. C is correct for this condition. 45. What does vas signify in vasectomy? A. Blood. B. Vessel. C. Vein. D. Duct. Answer: D. Duct. Rationale: vas from Latin vas means duct, as in vasectomy, duct cutting, specifically vas deferens. Blood is hem, vessel is broader, and vein is phleb. D is correct. 46. What does the root hyster mean in hysterectomy? A. Ovary. B. Vagina. C. Uterus. D. Cervix. Answer: C. Uterus. Rationale: hyster from Greek hystera means uterus, as in hysterectomy, uterus removal. Ovary is oophore, vagina is colp, and cervix is cervic. C is correct. 47. Which root in otitis refers to the ear? A. Rin. B. Ot.
C. Ophthalm.
D. Larynx. Answer: B. Ot. Rationale: ot from Greek us means ear, as in otitis, ear inflammation. Rin is nose, ophthalm is eye, and larynx is larynx. B is correct for this condition. 48. In pharyngitis, what does pharynx indicate? A. Throat. B. Larynx. C. Trachea. D. Esophagus. Answer: A. Throat. Rationale: pharynx from Greek pharynx means throat, as in pharyngitis, throat inflammation. Larynx is larynx, trachea is trache, and esophagus is esophag. A is correct. 49. What root word means skin in epidermis? A. Derm. B. Cutin. C. Kerat. D. Melon. Answer: A. Derm. Rationale: derm from Greek derma means skin, as in epidermis, outer skin layer. Cutin also relates to skin but is less common. Kerat is horn and melon is black. A is correct. 50. Which root combined with ectomy indicates ovary removal? A. Hyster. B. Oophore.
C. Salping.
D. Colp. Answer: B. Oophore. Rationale: oophore means ovary forming oophorectomy, ovary removal. Hyster is uterus, salping is fallopian tube, and colp is vagina. B is correct for this surgical term. 51. What does salping signify in salpingitis? A. Uterus.
B. Ovary.
C. Fallopian tube.
D. Cervix.
Answer: C. Fallopian tube. Rationale: salping from Greek salpinx means fallopian tube, as in salpingitis, fallopian tube inflammation. Uterus is hyster, ovary is oophore, and cervix is cervic. C is correct. 52. In esophagitis, what does esophag refer to? A. Stomach. B. Esophagus. C. throat. D. Intestine. Answer. B. Esophagus. Rationale. Esophag from Greek oesophagos means esophagus, as in esophagitis, esophagus inflammation. Stomach is gastr, throat is pharynx, and intestine is enter. B is correct. 53. Which root word means black in melanoma? A. Luke. B. Melon. C. Eryther. D. Cyan. Answer. B. Melon. Rationale. Melon from Greek melos means black, as in melanoma, black tumor. Luke is white, eryther is red, and cyan is blue. B is correct as the root for black. 54. What does urethra indicate in urethritis? A. Bladder. B. Ureter. C. Urethra. D. Kidney. Answer. C. Urethra. Rationale. Urethra from Greek urethra means urethra, as in urethritis, urethra inflammation. Bladder is cyst, ureter is ureter, and kidney is nephr. C is correct. 55. In adenopathy, what does Aden signify?
A. Gland.
B. Lymph. C. Node. D. Tissue. Answer. A. Gland. Rationale. Aden from Greek Aden means gland, as in adenopathy, gland disorder. Lymph is lymph. Node is implied but not the root, and tissue is broader. A is correct. 56. Which root with itis indicates joint inflammation? A. Ost. B. Myo. C. Arthur. D. Nor. Answer. C. Arthur. Rationale. Arthur means joint, forming arthritis, joint inflammation. Ost is bone. Myo is muscle, and nor is nerve. C is correct for this condition. 57. What does lip mean in lipoma? A. Fat. B. Skin. C. Muscle. D. Tumor. Answer. A. Fat. Rationale. Lip from Greek lipos means fat, as in lipoma, fat tumor. Skin is derm, muscle is myo, and tumor is oma, not the root. A is correct. 58. In prostatitis, what does prostat indicate? A. Testis. B. Prostate. C. Urethra. D. Bladder. Answer. B. Prostate. Rationale. Prostat from Greek prostates means prostate, as in prostatitis, prostate inflammation. Testis is orchid, urethra is urether, and bladder is cyst. B is correct. 59. Which root means blue in cyanosis? A. Melon. B. Cyan. C. Luke. D. Eryther. Answer. B. Cyan. Rationale. Cyan from Greek kyanos means blue, as in cyanosis, blue condition. Melon is black, Luke is white, and eryther is red. B is correct as the root for blue. 60. What does decoding chondritis reveal about chondr? A. Bone.
B. Joint.
C. Cartilage. D. Tendon. Answer. C. Cartilage. Rationale. Chondr means cartilage, and in chondritis, cartilage inflammation, it's the key root. Bone is ost, joint is arthur, and tendon is ten. C is correct. 61. Which root in nephritis refers to the kidney? A. Run. B. Nephr. C. Ureter.
D. Cyst.
Answer. B. Nephr. Rationale. Nephr from Greek nephros means kidney, as in nephritis, kidney inflammation. Run also means kidney but is less common here. Ureter is ureter, and cyst is bladder. B is correct. 62. What does kerat mean in keratitis? A. Cornea.
B. Skin. C. Hair. D. Nail.
Answer. A. Cornea. Rationale. Kerat from Greek keras means horn or cornea, as in keratitis, cornea inflammation. Skin is derm, hair is trick, and nail is onyx. A is correct in this context. 63. In angiography, what does angi indicate? A. Artery. B. Vein. C. Vessel. D. Blood. Answer. C. Vessel. Rationale. Angi from Greek angion means vessel, as in angiography, vessel imaging. Artery is arter, vein is phleb, and blood is hem. C is correct as it's broader. 64. Which root with oma indicates a nerve tumor? A. Nor, B. Myo.
C. Ost. D. Derm.
Answer. A. Nor. Rationale. Nor means nerve, forming neuroma, nerve tumor. Myo is muscle, ost is bone, and derm is skin. A is correct for this pathology term. 65. What does trick signify in trichosis? A. Skin.
B. Hair.
C. Nail. D. Sweat. Answer. B. Hair. Rationale. Trick from Greek thrix means hair, as in trichosis, hair condition. Skin is derm, nail is onyx, and sweat is hydr. B is correct. 66. What does the root lymph mean in lymphadenitis? A. Blood.
B. Gland.
C. Node. D. Lymph. Answer. D. Lymph. Rationale. Lymph from Latin lympha means lymph, as in lymphadenitis, lymph gland inflammation. Blood is hem, gland is aden, and node is implied but not the root. D is correct. 67. Which root in tonsillitis refers to the tonsils? A. Pharynge. B. Tonsil. C. Larynx. D. Gloss. Answer. B. Tonsil. Rationale. Tonsil from Latin tonsili means tonsils, as in tonsillitis, tonsil inflammation. Pharynge is throat, larynx is larynx, and gloss is tongue. B is correct. 68. In onychomycosis, what does onyx indicate? A. Hair. B. Skin. C. Nail. D. Foot. Answer. C. Nail. Rationale. Onyx from Greek onyx means nail, as in onychomycosis, nail fungus. Hair is trick, skin is derm, and foot is pod. C is correct for this condition. 69. What root word means sweat in hydrosis? A. Derm. B. Hydr. C. Kerat. D. Lip. Answer. B. Hydr. Rationale. Hydr from Greek hydros means sweat, as in hydrosis, sweating condition. Derm is skin, kerat is horn, and lip is fat. B is correct as the root for sweat. 70. Which root combined with algia indicates joint pain? A. Myo. B. Nor. C. Ost. D. Arthur. Answer. D. Arthur. Rationale. Arth means joint, forming arthralgia, joint pain. Myo is muscle, nor is nerve, and ost is bone. D is correct for this term. 71. What does pod signify in podiatry? A. Leg. B. Foot. C. Ankle. D. Toe. Answer. B. Foot. Rationale. Pod from Greek pos means foot, as in podiatry, foot care. Leg is crur, ankle relates to tars, and toe is dactyl. B is correct. 72. In craniotomy, what does crani refer to?
A. Brain.
B. Skull.
C. Spine.
D. Face. Answer. B. Skull. Rationale. Crani from Greek cranion means skull, as in craniotomy, skull incision. Brain is encephal, spine is spin, and face is ephe. B is correct. 73. Which root word means neck in cervical? A. Cervic. B. Thorac. C. Cephal. D. Spin. Answer. A. Cervic. Rationale. Cervic from Latin cervix means neck, as in cervical, pertaining to the neck. Thorac is chest, cephal is head, and spin is spine. A is correct. 74. What does cephal indicate in encephalopathy? A. Skull. B. Brain. C. Head. D. Nerve. Answer. C. Head. Rationale. Cephal from Greek kephale means head, as in encephalopathy, brain disorder, within the head. Skull is crani, brain is encephal, and nerve is nor. C is correct in this broader context. 75. In mastitis, what does mast signify? A. Breast. B. Chest. C. Gland. D. Milk. Answer. A. Breast. Rationale. Mast from Greek Mastos means breast, as in mastitis, breast inflammation. Chest is thorax, gland is aden, and milk relates to lact. A is correct. 76. Which root with ectomy indicates thyroid removal? A. Thyr. B. Aden. C. Tonsil. D. Lymph. Answer: A. Thyr. Rationale: Thyr means thyroid, forming thyroidectomy, thyroid removal. Aden is gland, tonsil is tonsils, and lymph is lymph. A is correct for the surgical term. 77. What does dactyl mean in dactylitis? A. Finger. B. Toe. C. Hand. D. Foot. Answer: A. Finger. Rationale: Dactyl from Greek dactylos means finger or toe, but in dactylitis, finger/toe inflammation, it commonly refers to fingers. Hand is chur, and foot is pod. A is correct in this context. 78. In ileitis, what does ile indicate? A. Colon. B. Ileum. C. Jejunum. D. Duodenum. Answer: B. Ileum. Rationale: Ile from Latin ileum means ileum, part of small intestine, as in ileitis, ileum inflammation. Colon is col, jejunum is jejen, and duodenum is duoden. B is correct. 79. Which root means bone marrow in myeloma? A. Ost. B. Mile. C. Hem. D. Luke. Answer: B. Mile. Rationale: Mile from Greek myelos means bone marrow or spinal cord, as in myeloma, bone marrow tumor. Ost is bone, hem is blood, and Luke is white. B is correct in this context. 80. What does decoding pneumothorax reveal about num? A. Chest. B. Air. C. Lung. D. Breath. Answer: C. Lung. Rationale: Num means lung, and in pneumothorax, air in chest due to lung collapse. It's the key root. Chest is thorax, air is implied, and breath is spear. C is correct.